Welcome! Our mission is to provide a compact, user-friendly, reliable, and affordable pipe replacement system. Making it easier to replace pipe and more profitable for you is our #1 goal. Fusion comprises applying heat and pressure for a specified time to the mating surfaces to be joined. The application of heat and pressure under the correct conditions allows the molecular chains to flow and mix each other, creating a joint as strong as the pipe itself. To ensure quality butt fusion joints are made, you need equipment robust enough to handle the size and weight of the pipe to be joined. The correct pressure needs to be maintained on the pipe ends during each phase of the procedures. The Anaconda Compact HDPE high-density polyethylene butt fusion system is ideal for most fusion operations. Trimming or facing the pipe is easy using the gear drive power facing tool, which is positioned between the pipe clamps using the guide pins. The heating iron preset at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius is used to heat fuse the pipe. The iron is positioned using the guide pins located on the pipe clamps. The butt fusion system features double clamps for holding each section of the pipe to be fused. Clamp movement is generated by the operator using a torque bar, which applies force directly in line with the movement of the pipe. We make pipe replacement easy for you. Split and replace cast iron, steel, Orangeburg, PVC, ABS, clay, copper from 1-inch to 12-inch pipe without digging a trench. Replace pipe in extremely confined conditions and under driveways, sidewalks, roadways, and concrete slabs without disturbing the surrounding environment. For pipe replacement, upsizing, slip lining, whatever your project, we have the right tools for you. Everywhere you go, water, sewer, gas, and other utilities are in a constant state of deterioration or incapable of meeting the rising needs of today's urban areas where population growth is a problem. Water mains beneath many of these streets are approaching 100 years old. Most of the pipes are cast iron and have seen their best years. Much of it is at the end of its life cycle and needs to be renewed or replaced. Since most of the underground infrastructure has been in place for decades, streets, sidewalks, landscaping, even buildings have been layered on top of the underground pipes. Imagine being able to replace the entire water and sewer system of a city without causing a major traffic jam and incurring the enormous cost of restoring your streets and roads. That's the promise of Anaconda Trenchless. Pipe bursting is a well-established method for trenchless replacement of existing utility, water, gas, and sewer piping that is either worn out, undersized, or incapable of meeting the needs of growing communities. An existing pipe is replaced, size for size, or upsized with a new pipe in the same location, and accomplished by pulling the new pipe through the old pipe. The demolition cone, by virtue of its size or its radial expansion ability, shatters the old pipe and forces the fragments into the surrounding soil. The technique is the most cost-effective when there are few lateral connections, when the old pipe is structurally deteriorated, and when additional capacity is needed. Pipe bursting is receiving more and more attention as a viable alternative to open trench replacement. The process can be used on pipes of cast or ductile iron, clay, steel, concrete, ABS, or PVC. From all aluminum butt fusion systems to do 2, 3, 4, and 6-inch pipe, to 35-ton and 60-ton Anaconda units for trenchless pipe replacement. Whatever your needs are, we have the equipment for you. More and more sewer, gas, water rehabilitation and replacement projects are successfully and economically completed using Anaconda Trenchless systems. Anaconda is manufactured using the finest European fabricating techniques and precision components. Our systems start at $15,000. Typically, the Anaconda will pay for itself within the first 6 months of use and will generate greater profits for years to come. Visit our website at www.anacondatrenchless.com or call us at 562-365-3627. To find out how you can own our system and generate more profits for your business, call 562-365-3627.